When the going gets tough, the tough get going. Winston Dozier says the economic recession spurred him to start a business 2 months ago.
I'm a glazer. I install glass for commercial buildings, glass doors. I worked for a company for 9 years. I just branched out on my own.
Dozier has 3 children. He finds work in the D.C. area enough to support a family of 5.
There's work out there. I just get out and look for it.
For many people in the black community, they're not as fortunate. Unemployment rates have nearly doubled since the start of the recession 2 years ago. And for black men, the unemployment rate could reach as high as 50%. The nationwide unemployment rate for blacks is at 15.7%, 13.1% for Latinos compared to just 9.5% for whites. Renita Monk says her relatives have trouble finding work at places that are unwilling to hire outside of their own families, or at times, race.
When his employment started getting slow, things were going to lay off. Okay, the economy's going to go down because they're not even hiring people to build the places to hire, let alone actually having the businesses already established.
And the rising unemployment rate trickles down to other community ills.
That's how come the crime rate's so high, because everybody need to eat, man. If there's no jobs out, then how can you eat?
It's hard for everybody, but just don't give up hope. Keep working hard at what you do.
Dozier says he'll continue to keep a positive attitude amidst negative predictions of economic recovery and rising unemployment rates. Colin Campbell, Washington.